beautiful people, I'm Nancy Ogbebo and you are welcome to my kitchen. Hope you all are doing great. Today let's make this yummy Ekpang Nkukwo recipe. So without further ado, let's dive right into the preparation. Okay, so on my list I have onion, crayfish, black pepper. You can decide to use fresh pepper, that'll be okay. And this is my dried fish. You can use any protein of choice. I'll be using seasoning powder, palm oil, salt. The next is periwinkle. This is broken already and it is washed too. Next I'll be using kukwo leaf. And next is my water yam. So we'll be peeling this water yam. And some people use both water yam and cocoa yam together. You can also use just cocoa yam. So I'll be peeling the back of my water yam. And this recipe is so common with the Akwa Ibomites, and the taste is okay. Just that it has a lot of work on it. But today I'll be showing you a very easy way to do this recipe and you'll definitely enjoy this. So I'm going to be cutting this into a smaller size so I can use my blender, okay? Normally they grate it, but today I'll be using my blender and you will definitely get the same result. So this is what I got and I'll transfer it into my blender. And I'll be blending this without water. Okay, so that was why I was cutting it into smaller bites. So I'll blend this till it is very smooth. Next I'll transfer it into my bowl. Thank you everyone for always coming back to watch me. I truly appreciate all your support and I'm not taking your love for granted. Okay, I'll be adding in salt and I'll give this a quick mix. I'm going to mix everything together to combine. So I'll mix everything together to combine. So some people might decide to add crayfish, or you might decide to add crayfish with it and the rest. But I'm adding just salt. Okay, so this is how it is being tied. I'm gonna be using the kukwo leaf. Some people use cocoyam leaf also. So if you have cocoyam leaf, go ahead to use it. So this is just the way you roll it. Just roll it and it is done. Though you have a lot of work to do here, but it worth trying. So I'll be doing this the second time and it was so easy to do, though it's a whole lot of work, but the taste is what we are going for. The meal is amazing. Okay, so after this we transfer this into my pot. I added in oil. Some people at this point, by the time they add in oil in their pan, they will also add in periwinkle. Okay, so I'm adding in oil. I'll transfer the mixture into my pot, then I'll be adding in my periwinkle. I'll spread this around. Next I'll go in with my black pepper. As I said earlier, you might decide to use fresh pepper, that will be okay. And I'll add in my onion and my crayfish powder. Next I'll go in with my dried fish. You can use any protein of choice, and I'll be adding in my seasoning powder. Next I'll add in more palm oil and my beef stock. You can add water if you don't have beef stock. So you cook this on a low heat till it is done. If you notice, I didn't stir it, so I just went ahead to add in more vegetable, and that's for color. Okay, so we stir everything a bit and it is ready. This is what I got and the taste was amazing. I'll see you in my next one. From me is bye.